Want to know how to beat the level faster and easily in Red Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, here you can see that I have these enemies right here in front of me with both having a similar level. So you can just simply attack any one of these. So if you want to happen automatically, just simply select auto right here, or you can just simply select any power up that you want. So I have this 2 power up on me on the rightmost side. You can just simply select the most powerful one. So I'm just going to select this and then select any enemy that's the lowest. For me, this one is. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to kill this enemy right here. Now I can just simply select another powerful weapon and it should go just like this. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now once your ultimate powers up, just like this right here, so you can just simply select it and then select an enemy. So make sure you usually only select the enemy that's the lowest level or with the lowest health. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.